Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the first group di Naratika, Muhammad Fahmi and Rifki Hidayat. Inshallah, in this opportunity, we will discuss about Dexis and speech aid. And the first, we will talking about Dexis. In transforming direct speech to be an indirect speech, evidently there are different forms of deictic expression. A phrase related to the understanding of Dexis. Dexis described by Bushman 19 and 96 page 286 as a function characteristic expression that are related to aspect of people, place, and time depending on the situation of the speech. Thus, there are personal Dexis, place Dexis, and time Dexis. For the first is personal Dexis. In transforming speech spoken by Edward and has been exemplified in the previous section. For example, I am going to the Alps with my family this holiday. And this example becomes Edward. Edward become he. Planned to go the Alps with his family that holiday. So Edward or he planning to go to the Alps together with his family on that vacation. There was a difference. The expression that refers to Edward in the speech spoken directly by Edward as a speaker. The phrase used for referring to the entity Edward is a personal pronoun. The first person or I. Meanwhile, in indirect speech, which is a report spoken by third person, the phrase used to refer to the same entity is Edward's self-named third person pronoun or he. What if the third person changed roles to become a speech partner Edward and remember him of the plans that he had made? He will speak. As far as I remember, you plan to go to the Alps with your family, Edward, like that. In the speech, the phrase used to refer to the entity the same is you, second personal pronoun. And the second is spatial Dexis or place Dexis. There are different forms of demonstrative pronoun which refer to the same place for direct speech and indirect speech. This example, this in people in this area be careful, and that in the example the speakers remind people in that area to be careful. This form is a demonstrative pronoun near Dexis or proximal Dexis, while seps that is a demonstrative pronoun or distal Dexis. The two Dexis is become types of spatial Dexis. And the third is Dexis time. In English, Dexis change in time do not only lexically like why didn't he come to my party yesterday? Become Nancy wondered why her boyfriend had come to her party the previous day. But also in a manner grammatical, when transformed the verb from inside why didn't he come or indirect speech change in why he or her boyfriend didn't come in speech indirect. Thus the difference can be seen which is characterized by a change in the form of deep verb said it. Change English it does not happen in Indonesian because why he did not come in direct speech does not change shape when present in indirect speech. Okay, for the next discussion is about speech aid.
Okay, everybody, continue to the speech act. Speech act is behavior analyzing the role of speech, behavior of speakers, of speech listeners in interpersonal communication. In speech act, following looks at, for example, I will bring you the book tomorrow, where the speaker makes a promise to to the listener, even though the does not we use the word promise, so the speaker does not immediately make a promise to the listener. In speech age, there are direct speech and indirect speech. I promise I will bring you the book tomorrow. So in the sentence before this is an indirect speech. So to be clear, the difference between the direct speech and indirect is the use of performative verbs, promise, so that it is said to be direct speech. An example of using other performative verbs. Albert accused Bernard of killing Charles. Direct speech. From I think he killed Charles is indirect speech. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.